Biological anthropology itself can be further subdivided into a series of specialties, depending on the kind of material that people work with and the questions that researchers ask. For example, primatologists study living populations of primates as a way of better understanding the variation within primates today to better understand the environment out of which humans evolved in the past. There are geneticists, which study patterns of variation within living populations of humans, but also in ancient populations of humans, as DNA extracted from fossils in the past. Human geneticists help us look at the relationship between populations, the timing of events in our evolutionary past. There are human biologists who study patterns of adaptation and biological variation in living populations today, particularly as it relates to aspects of health and social change. And there are human osteologists who study human physical remains, our bones, as a way of addressing questions about health and trauma and disease in the past. As a paleoanthropologist, I try to incorporate all of these perspectives into understanding the human fossil record. Paleoanthropology is inherently multidisciplinary. To develop knowledge in paleoanthropology and to develop as complete a picture as possible of human evolution requires us to rely not only on experts across those various subfields of anthropology, but also information generated by geologists and other researchers within the field to help understand the past. The human fossil record can be viewed as limited in some ways, in the sense that there aren't that many fossils out there, but in reality, there's a wealth of data to address and develop knowledge about our evolutionary past. Throughout this class, we'll introduce you to methods, approaches, and the material used by researchers across a variety of subfields to understand the events and circumstances around the major evolutionary changes in human history.